Gabriel. We're talking about our favourite pastimes today. Well, Mum provided us with some photographs that might help here. So if we take a look at these...
70-30.
What?
Odds of survival, 70-30. In case that affects how you're going to talk to me.
No, not at all, Gabriel. We're not here to talk about medical matters as such.
So, what are we here to talk about?
Well, I thought it'd be nice to discuss our favourite pastimes and things we like doing. These are lovely. I didn't realise you played. How cool. So if we take a look at these and think about them, what do they make you think?
I think I'd rather be talking to a doctor right now about these 70-30 odds. But no. They're all busy telling other people they have cancer. So I'm stuck here chatting to you. Probably only 2 years older than myself. I'll be padding up your CV so you can get into med school, become a doctor. Something I really don't have hope of even thinking about right now. So yeah, I'm not having a really good week.
$70-30, not bad for a betting man. Hey, if this were football, that would make you Man U, no? Acute myeloid leukemia. It's a lot of letters. Boy, I bet you can't even spell it.
Well, doesn't really matter now, does it? It looks like all that learning to spell shit was for nothing. I don't think the C in UCAS stands for cancer.
Spelling is important. My mother, she's 84. Barely remembers my name, my face. But she still doesn't need a dictionary when she makes us play Scrabble. Never will. That's her favorite pastime. Sometimes it's the little things that hold a person together.
My mum's a mess right now. I don't know how to talk to her.
She'll be all right. She'll be great. As you said, at least you won't have to pay for your uni fees.
I don't even want to go.
No?
No. That's the order, isn't it? We will get degrees, we'll get a job. We will get married, we will get kids, then we will get cancer, and we will fall down. It's all wrong. I'm fine. Why do doctors always have to be right? So what's the wrong about this?
I think we're getting off topic. Why don't we get back to these pastimes?
Pastimes? I don't have time to pass. I don't have time for anything.
I like music. You like music?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sampha. Ray Black. Frank Ocean.
Yeah. We all like music.
Where's that?
Well, that's Camden. First night of the tour. We were paid 32 quid between us. Barely anyone in the crowd. Well, most of which were our mums. But luckily for us, that didn't matter because there was one person there that did. It was Annie Mac.
No way.
Yeah. She played our track Motion Carried on the radio. The next day, we were off. Death doesn't stop you until it stops you. Just because it's there shouldn't mean you quit before it gets to. Imagine if Tammy Terrell quit. Or Is Redding. Bob Marley. What if the Finches singing in the morning quit? You know, the typical life of a songbird is 3 years. Pay it no mind. Things that may not happen. It's all white noise. The only beat you should be listening to is the one thumping in your chest, telling you that you are still here.
Sorry about that. Please, let me.
Thank you. Have you had to think about what we were talking about?
Yeah. There's this track I started a while back. I'm gonna try and finish it this week.
That's good. That's fantastic. Really good. I'm so sorry, we've actually run out of time for today's session.
Sorry.
Come back soon.
Shit finna say in a hospital. Sorry. We'll see you around.